I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the environment and launching Ftune so you can make controlled adjustments. You check version and dependencies because mismatches break processing. Once done, back up your config to revert if needed. Next, open a terminal, cd to the project folder, and run the init preset command. This loads default parameters. Make sure to note starting values so you can compare results after tuning. Now you adjust the core parameters to shape behavior. You change the learning rate in small factors. This controls convergent speed and stability, so test 0. 0, 0, 1 then 0, 0, 0, 2 or 0, 0, 0, 0, 5. Then modify filter lengths and delays to affect responsiveness and artifacting. Try 64 to 256 samples in quarter steps. Once configured, run a short 30-second validation sample. Watch loss and CPU. These metrics tell you if changes improved the model or introduced instability. Finish by locking and exporting the tuned configuration so you preserve the confirmed setup. You use the export command to create only way final. CFG. Then run a full-length session and compare end metrics against the initial baseline to verify improvement. If you see artifacts or divergence, reduce the learning rate by half or increase filter length one step. This usually stabilizes output. If problems persist, revert to your backup and iterate with smaller parameter changes to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.